The BigBlue 25-watt solar charger is remarkably portable, folding down to the size of a tablet and weighing less than 1 pound, making it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Equipped with both USB-A and USB-C ports, this solar charger can simultaneously power two devices, ensuring your gadgets remain charged when exposed to sufficient sunlight. The combination of ETFE coating, UV-resistant EVA, and high-efficiency solar cells provides durability and a longer lifespan, making it a reliable addition to any outdoor gear or emergency kit. BigBlue's premium-grade solar cells, free of front-side metal lines, capture more sunlight, which enhances electricity generation and maintains a high power conversion efficiency. With an IP68 rating, this solar panel is built to withstand splashes, spills, and light rain, ensuring reliable performance no matter the weather conditions during your adventures. Included with the solar charger are practical accessories such as carabiners and a USB-C to USB-C cable, enhancing its utility for various outdoor activities.